Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about uh, the given number is prime number or not. Okay, yeah, let's focus. Here now, first I will explain number equal to int of input, enter a number. Here we are taking the number and converting into the int format. Okay, typecasting we are doing. First I will execute the code and I will explain the whole code. Let's enter a five numbers. Enter a number. Okay. Uh, enter five is a prime number. Okay. And for example, if we enter hmm, uh, uh, for example, we enter six. Six is a not a prime number. Not a prime number. So I will explain this now. Here we are taking the number dynamically, and if number is greater than one, it will enter into this loop. And for again range of 2 comma number. First, we taken the value 5, right? That 5, 2 comma 5. A range of 2 comma 5 means starting value is 2, ending value is 4. Uh, the range function will consider as 2 in the starting value, comma, n minus 1 value. Well, it will look like that. And if number, whatever the number we are taking, that first we took taken the 5 value, that is modulus. First it will come 2 value, and next 3, next 4, until 4 it will come. If whenever we took the 5 value, whenever we took the 6 value, 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, until 5 values it will loop that. Whenever now see 2 5 minus 2, is it equal to 0? No. Next it will come to 3. uh, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is it equal to 0? No. And again 4 minus sorry, 5 minus 4, is it equal to 0? No. So it will not enter into the this condition, and it will, if it is not execute this condition break only, it will enter into this loop. Otherwise it will end, it will execute, it will not enter to the else block. Okay, 5 2 3 4 are not whenever the modulus number is divided with that values, it is not equal to 0. So it will go to the else block, and it will print as a number is a prime number. Otherwise next here we took the value as 6. 2, the end value is 6, number value is 6. 6 modulus 2. 2 3 is 6, right? Is it equal to 0? So it will enter into this loop, and it will break that. So it will not enter into the else block. This is what like prime number code when the if given number is prime or not. Yeah, thank you for watching.